Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday Idioms. It's great to have you here as we explore more common English idioms used in daily conversations. Today, we're going to learn two very useful idioms, break a leg and under the weather. Let's get started. Our first idiom today is break a leg. This might sound strange, but it actually means good luck, especially before a performance. For example, you could say, "You have a big presentation today? Break a leg." Now, let's see how Clara and Daniel use this idiom in a natural conversation.
Are you ready for your play, Daniel?
I think so, but I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, you'll be amazing. Break a leg.
Thanks, Clara. I appreciate that.
Next up, we have the idiom under the weather. This phrase means to feel slightly ill or sick. For instance, if someone says, "I can't come to work today, I'm feeling under the weather," they mean they are not feeling well. Let's see another dialogue with Clara and Daniel to understand this better.
Hi, Daniel. You look a bit tired today.
Yeah, I'm feeling a little under the weather. I think I might have caught a cold.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. Make sure you get some rest.
Thanks, Clara. I will.
So there you have it, two more useful English idioms. Break a leg, meaning good luck, and under the weather, meaning to feel slightly ill. Try using them in your own conversations. We'd love to hear your examples. Please share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to English Tidbits for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.